The umbrella that started a conversation. Welcome to Read with Rimmi. We read, we grow. So, let's start. It was a cloudy Thursday morning, and Nina was, as usual, running late. She had her coffee in one hand, phone in the other, and a slice of toast between her teeth. It was a classic Nina morning, chaotic but somehow efficient. Her umbrella, the fancy red one with tiny cats printed on it, was still sitting on the living room chair, waving her goodbye through the window. No time to turn back, she muttered. Maybe the rain gods will be kind. Spoiler, they were not. A full-on dramatic downpour began halfway down the street. Nina tried to cover her head with her laptop bag. It did absolutely nothing. Then suddenly, a moment of rescue. A large black umbrella stopped beside her. Sharing's better than swimming, a voice said. She turned to see a man with kind eyes. Thanks, Nina said, stepping under the umbrella. As they walked, she noticed two things. He was humming an old Bollywood song. His umbrella had the broken spoke poking out like a sharp elbow. That umbrella looks like it's been through a war, she joked. It's the third roommate in my flat. We don't talk much, he replied with a grin. I'm Arjun, he said. I work in the building with a giant coffee cup on the sign. Oh, that's right next to mine, Nina replied. When they reached her office, she smiled. Thanks for the rescue. Next time, I'll remember my umbrella. He winked. Or maybe next time, you forget it again. Nina laughed. As he walked off, umbrella spinning in the wind, that evening the rain had cleared, but something else had stayed. Not just the wet shoes or the ruined toast. It was the unexpected charm of a shared umbrella. A strange conversation and the feeling that maybe a forgotten umbrella wasn't such a bad thing after all. So, thanks for listening. We are learning and growing together.